unbelievable AI tool is going to make you super productive. You can automate different parts of your business, save time, save money, and be more productive. Before we jump into the demo, you know what to do. Like and share so more people can see this. All right, the tool is called Lindy AI. I'll make sure there's a link below in description for you so you can easily access this. But you can automate different parts of your business like emails, meetings, customer support, sales. And I'm going to log into the dashboard and I'll show you some of the automations that I am using to save time and be more productive. So you can start for free. They do have a free plan. So you can create an account. And once you log in, this is what the dashboard looks like. Here you go. Let me make sure you can see everything. And these different workflows, they're called Lindy's. That's the name of different workflows or different automations you can create for your business. So once you log in, you can see all these different templates that are already provided for different parts of your business. So here you go. You can see related to onboarding, Lindy. If I go back on home, you can see templates related to sales, support, meeting, emails, you name it. And I'll show you how to build one quickly in minutes. It doesn't take long because you don't need to do any coding. You don't need to do any complex setups. It's just natural language and you can set this up. So let me talk about some of the Lindy's or workflows that I use in my business. So here's one, brand deals. So as a creator, I get emails from people, different brands that they want to do, they want to work with me, right? So for that, what we have done is, let me make sure you can see this properly. Here you go. So every time I receive an email in my inbox, Lindy, this tool checks if that email is for it's a request for a collaboration or a partnership or a brand deal. If it is, then I use AI agent to do some research on that brand to make sure the brand is valid, it's good, they have website, they have social presence. It's not just like a random person trying to reach out to me and waste time. So this is like a qualification. And once we've done research, Lindy creates an email for me. I don't do it. This AI automation creates an email. I thank them for reaching out, and then I send them my pricing detail for different collaboration. So all of my brand deal and partnership workflow, the initial workflow before creating the video content is all automated through this Lindy, through this automation, whatever you want to call it, or the workflow. And it only took me like seconds or minutes to do this. Let me show you what type of email it actually generates so you get an idea. So I'm going to go to my Gmail. I do put them in draft so I get final. I can do a final check and then send it back to them. So here's the email. Thank you for reaching out. And then I give them a couple of options and then ask them for content brief. Imagine how much time you can save with something like this. So this is something that's relevant to my business. So let me go back and I'll walk you through how to set this, something like this, set this up. And this is how you can create different workflows for your business too. So step number one is the trigger. So when does this automation or Lindy start? That's the trigger. So I'm going to do email because it's based on the email received. And then you'll connect if you have a Gmail, you'll connect your Gmail to it. There you go. You're going to connect your Gmail to this. So that way, every time, here you go. So my email is already connected. You can also filter based on different events. That's what I do. You can say if it has certain words or if it is from certain people. So you can set up those triggers if you want. Next, I want to do a condition. So I'll add a condition, go down this path if this email is a collab request. Hit save. And now, because if it is not a collaboration request, I do not want to go down this path. So let me move this and make sure you can see all of this. Here you go. Now you can see it better. So email received, then there's a condition. And now if that email is a collaboration or partnership request, then I want to do some um, due diligence on that brand or that company. So for that, here's the prompt that I use. I'll show you that prompt in a second, but click here again. So I'm building like a workflow, and you see how easy it is depending on the natural, the real logic. You can create these workflows that could be really complex if you were doing manual coding, but you don't have to do any of that. So enter agent, let's click here, and here's the prompt. Your job is to perform research on this company, um, find the name of the company, and then I'm looking to understand the website, the social media accounts, and do multiple searches to ensure that you have all this information. This is the sort of like the prompt that you would use in ChatGPT, Claude, or other. So this is AI agent. So you can have this set up any way that you like. You can do any prompt that you like here. So for this is the prompt. The other thing is you can use different models. There are different models here. Claude, 4o mini, GPT turbo, GPT mini, so many different options. So you can go through these. Also Gemini Flash and Gemini Pro. So you can select the model that you like. And now one more thing, if you scroll down, I want to add skills to this agent. The skills are the capabilities that this agent has. So search the internet. That's what I want. Let me actually give search the internet and also extract web page text. So add to action. So there you go. So the agent, think of this as a agent, or kind of, you can also think this as an employee. Actually, this whole workflow is kind of like an employee for you, because this person or this agent is going to do this research for me, and it has capabilities of web browsing and also ability to extract data from the internet. So those are the two skills that I've given assigned to this AI agent. What's the exit condition? The exit condition is the task is complete or research done on the brand. So let me make sure I clean this up. Here you go. And now next is I'm gonna, you can add a condition right here, because sometimes you may not found data on the company, because the AI agent may run, but it may not find anything on that brand. Because I get requests from some people that are startups, they're brand new companies, and sometimes they're in beta or they're not even released yet, and they want to do partnership. And at this stage, what I do is I try to avoid them and try to go after companies that are more established. So that's the purpose of this condition. You can eliminate if you don't want this. Now, let me go back here and copy this, because I'm going to use this prompt. The next step is, once you've done all the research, is sending them an email. So I'm going to perform an action, and the email, it's going to be a draft email. Scroll down, and the body is going to be a prompt, and here's the prompt. Create an email draft, thank the person, and also add different pricing options that I have that they can pick or choose from. And that's it. So once you do it, that's exactly how I have built. Let me make sure I center this for you. That's exactly this. The workflow on the left is what I had built previously and already working. And just to give you a demo in this video, I've rebuilt this. So I'm going to delete this because it's just a copy of what I already have. So you see how easy it was to create I call this an AI employee that automates a certain part of your business. And you can think about sales, think about lead generation, think about even the posting to social media. You can create different Lindys for that. So here's another one that I've created. So let me go back here. AI tools from my email. So I get emails from different sources, and those sources have AI tools mentioned in them. If I was to manually go through those emails and look for AI tools, it'll take me forever. So I built this Lindy, where whenever I send this Lindy a message, it searches my email. So it's going to find the top 10 emails. That's how many I had maximum results. And also from last week, and the emails that are sent to this specific email address, because all the newsletters that I subscribe to, I used a specific email address. You can also do a filter by a query. You can do that too. Then I check a condition that we found some AI tools, and then the AI agent actually goes through my emails and it finds different AI tools that are mentioned in the email newsletter. So I don't have to manually go through every single email newsletter. And I'll show you how, once I run this, it comes back and it gives me a list of AI tools from different email newsletters that I'm subscribed to. How awesome this is. Amazing, right? So save time, save money. You don't have to hire people. You can take different parts of your business and then you can automate those, or you can build AI employees or AI automations for those parts of your business. If I go to my Lindy's again, here are different one I've done. I've done others too. Scraping emails. Here's another Lindy that I've used in the past. So what this does is I give this Lindy a website, and then it goes and does research. Let me actually show you this because this is actually pretty cool. So let's say I want to get some email tools from a specific website. So I'm going to run this, give it that website, and it will do the research and come back with the list of AI tools, the recently launched AI tools on that website. Here you go. So you can say it's a mini web scraper, but if you had to do this manually, it will take you forever. And it's a simple, if you look at the workflow, it's a simple. So every time I send it a message, or what I did in the case just now was give it a URL of a website. And then it performs the research. This is an AI agent, and I've given specific instruction that it's gonna do research and come back with the list of AI tools for me. Amazing tool platform, Lindy AI. You can automate different parts of your business, save time, save money. The link is going to be below in the description, so check it out. Any questions, let me know. Before you go, like and share so more people can see this, and I'll see you in this next video. Bye for now.